IKEA.
You know what? Something tells me the original elevator was right here, but it was replaced. What do you think?
It's really hard to tell. The second floor is really going to help give away some information.
Okay.
Another innovative Schindler.
Facility does not serve floor 1. Oh. That kind of startled me.
It was an accident.
Hopefully that didn't trigger anything.
Oh, it's legitimately locked.
No, you try pushing 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back up to 3.
Yeah.
So this is not really an interesting elevator.
Man, these are the most bland, the smallest IKEA elevators.
I know. Yeah, see, it's locked because it has a keyhole there.
Oh, there's a point. Maybe this is an original elevator.
How do you know?
Shaft. I have a feeling it was. I mean, they could have put a skylight in the new one.
I think it is actually. So,
like maybe there was always an elevator here. Motor.
That shaft looks pretty big. Let's get off at 2. You know what? It looks like a pretty big shaft, and Broadways typically had big elevators back in the 70s.
Yeah. Should we get off?
Yeah, let's let them get on.